So guys, for this video we are going to be absolutely getting soaking in our clothes, which is alright because we're a bit muddied anyway because we've just been to Castleton, Hope Valley and climbed up the mountains, and so yeah, we're cold and muddy anyway. So I've actually got my bath run upstairs ready to jump in it after this bit. So,
yay!
thank God. So guys, we're just currently filling a mop bucket up to wet us all through. So guys, we're using the car headlights because it's dark out here and we need light on our video. Colin's about to chuck a bucket of water over his head to get wet through, so here it goes.
Colin's funny.
Very cold. So guys, now it's my turn to get wet and I'm dreading it because it's freezing, so wish me luck guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Oh my God, are you ready?
Yeah, go on!
Hey guys, so me and Colin are currently soaked. Now we're gonna do Maria, and we're just sweating some clothes through. Yeah, Maria's dry, look. And we're just sweating some clothes through.
So
We'll be holding them outside, like, you know, we've rescued some clothes, but they're wet.
Any more clothes?
Actually, we haven't rescued clothes, have we? Because they're wet, so they'll be the same as the other clothes
we're
that's
just
in there.
cleaning the clothes.
Yeah, ignore me, but anyway, yeah. We're going to get Maria wet now.
I'm not that wet, I need to do another one.
Oh my God, I'm shivering, I'm so cold. Right guys, so we're soaked and we've got our wet clothes, so we're going to shoot the video now.
We were shooting a TikTok, but little do I know, we used too much water. And now our bloody house is flooded out, and we really have nowhere to live,